Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about a very important medicinal plant in pharmacognosy called Rauwolfia. The Rauwolfia, this plant has a rich history in traditional medicine and still plays a major role in modern pharmacology. By the end of this video, you will know their source, chemistry, morphology, chemical tests, and medicinal uses, and also some important points to remember them for your competitive exams. Rauwolfia is one of the most famous medicinal plants used for treating hypertension and certain psychiatric disorders. It belongs to the family Apocynaceae and its most important species is Rauwolfia serpentina. See, the source is dried root of Rauwolfia serpentina. Family is Apocynaceae. Clear? Then just read the geographical source and synonyms. Synonyms are very important. Indian snake root, serpentine root, sarpagandha, chota chand. Okay, these are the synonyms of Rauwolfia plant. Then just read about the morphological characters also. The roots are cylindrical, slightly tapering, 0.5 to 2.5 centimeter thick up to 60 centimeter long. Then external surface yellowish brown to grayish brown, longitudinally wrinkled. Then fracture short, smooth, bark thick, wood yellowish. Okay, then characteristic odor and bitter acrid taste. Then chemical constituents, these are very important. The main group present in Rauwolfia are which alkaloids? Indole. Okay, indole alkaloids are present in Rauwolfia. Which are the other indole alkaloid drugs? Vinca, Rauwolfia, Physostigma, ergot, and Nux vomica. Okay, we discussed Vinca and Nux vomica. This one is Rauwolfia. Okay, then Reserpine. Reserpine, we already said that it is this plant is used for certain psychiatric disorders due to the presence of reserpine. Reserpine has tranquilizing effect and also antihypertensive effect. Okay, then resinamide, agemalacine, CNS vasodilator, agemalin, antiarrhythmic activity, then serpentine. In some species of Rauwolfia, we can find the yohimbine. Okay, then other constituents are phytosterols, fatty oils, and sugars. The special chemical constituent present in Rauwolfia. Okay, these are reserpine and agemalin. These are very important special chemical constituents present in Rauwolfia. Okay, reserpine is the most important. It has tranquilizing and anti-hypertensive activity. Then agemalin is well-known anti-arrhythmic agent. Then identification test of Rauwolfia. We discussed Wiener test used for indole alkaloid. We discussed in Vinca plant. Okay, the reagent used in Wiener test is para-dimethyl aminobenzaldehyde with concentrated sulfuric acid. It gives blue or violet color. Okay. That in the indole nucleus react with the para-dimethyl aminobenzaldehyde in the presence of a strong acid to produce a blue or violet color. These are the specific tests for indole alkaloid. Okay, then go to the users. We already discussed antihypertensive due to the presence of reserpine and resinamide. Tranquilizing effect is due to the presence of reserpine, and sedative in mild mental disorders. Then ajumalin is antiarrhythmic activity. Ajumalazine peripheral vasodilator. The Rauwolfia plant is traditionally used used in snake bite, in case of insomnia, anxiety, etc. These are very important constituents present in Rauwolfia root. Okay, Rauwolfia is very important in competitive exams. If you found this useful, please like, share and subscribe for more classes. See you all in the next video. Study well.